Hey, how's it going, guys? Quick breakdown of today's trade. It was very similar to yesterday's. Basically, I was waiting for a reversal trade again, and once price was dropping, this is a 9:30 open right here, and it made a high and then it dropped all the way down. Now, once ES took out the Asia low, this blue line represents the Asia low, and once it took this out, I noticed that NQ did not. So if you look at NQ, the Asia goes all the way down here. So this does what? It creates an SMT once again, right? So once the SMT happened, I watched for this change in state of delivery. This here, when it closed above this, right here was a change in state of delivery. However, I waited because I was waiting until the 11 o'clock candle, because sometimes you'll see at 11 o'clock it might do a drop before it makes a higher high. So once 10:54 happened, it started dropping and it came down here. That this is when I had just a buy stop. I wasn't waiting for a candle close. I had a buy stop because based on experience, I know that if price does decide to come back up here, there's a good chance it will keep going higher. Now, my initial target was this data wick high. This was the 10 a.m. News candle, and my many times you'll see price take out both sides of the wick, and this was the high that I want to take out. But once we hit 1R, and I'm noticing a lot of ranging going on, so I just decided to close it here, and I left the runner on my personal account. However, same thing. In the end, it came back down. It took me out of break even. And as you see the checklist over here, the higher time frame PD array was the previous day low where it tapped into, and the Asia low, which is the a strong liquidity point. Then the SMT happened with the NQ and ES, and then we saw the change in state of delivery. And 1R and hold runner is right at this point is my mentality is to just take base hits and hold the runner. Just the way the volatility is, and we are in obviously a bearish trend. So when I'm looking for reversal, just it's good to just take a 1R and hold the runner. So yeah, not a bad trade. Unfortunately, didn't go to the final take profit, but overall, it's still a good trade.